Hello my friends, it's Ranger Russ from the Meigs Point Nature Center again. There's a storm moving in from the north. Right now it's over North Madison, Killingworth. Not sure if you can hear the rain, the thunder. Some dark cloud formations over there to the north. If you're not too familiar with the Meigs Point Nature Center, this building is oriented north-south. So those doors right there are pointing due south, and the far doors, the back doors, are pointing due north. So that is your compass if you're ever in this area. And you look north, lots of dark clouds, and you can hear the thunder. If we look over here to the west, got some lighter clouds, looks like a few thunderheads over there. And then if we look south, you can see there looks like some clouds over Long Island, or actually maybe past Long Island. But those look like some storm clouds out there. That doesn't look like a whole lot of rain under them. Sometimes you can see a blur of rain underneath clouds. But where you really want to look right now is in the north. And I'm not sure if you can hear the thunder. There is a lot of it. Look at how dark that is right there. Super dark rolling thunder. The birds don't seem to mind. I'm seeing that a lot of them, they don't seem to be behaving any differently. So they're not too concerned yet. They will hunker down if it's too windy and too stormy. They'll be hiding away somewhere. I'm going to move over around here, see if we can get a better view. I don't know if you just heard a frog. A green frog just called from the pond we walked by. It'd be really neat if I could show you some lightning. Not seeing any lightning, but yeah, that thunder is just rolling. Sounds like a bowling alley directly overhead. Hoping that I can show you something a little more than just the dark clouds, but all right, so that's our storm coming directly at us. Many of the cars are clearing out of Hammonasset right now. We do not have lightning shelters at Hammonasset Beach State Park. Any of our structures are considered not safe in a lightning storm. So that's why people are heading out right now. A couple of goldfinches just flew by. I don't know if you got to see those. I see they are predicting hail. I didn't hear about hail. I did hear severe thunderstorms, but it's pretty interesting to see the storms. Hammonasset, because of its geographic location, we stick out into the sound a bit. The sound does sometimes protect us from storms. It keeps the storms north of us. Also, occasionally we'll see storms going across Long Island itself, which is pretty spectacular. I've got to sit in full sunshine at Hammonasset, looking out at clouds over Long Island Sound and lightning over Long Island itself. Kennedy and Benjamin are tuning in from Lebanon, Connecticut. Are you guys getting any thunder or lightning over there yet? Yep, there's some good lightning. So I'm going to show you over here. So we looked at the north, the west and the south. In the east, there's almost not a cloud in the sky to the east. Sharon says it's raining in the campground. So 2 miles from my location, where Sharon is, so Uncasville, it is sunny, and the campground right over there, which is 2 miles from where I am, right about Sharon's campsite would be right over there. Thunder and dark skies in East Haddam. This is pretty cool. We're getting updates from across Connecticut. We can track the storm by all of your reports as it comes this way. I did see North Brantford had a little rain went over according to my weather radar. They've already had a storm passing through there. So if you guys want to put up what the weather is like where you are right now, that would be really cool, and we can all compare. Lots of thunder here. I'm just wondering if the rain is ever going to reach us, because it's been like this for quite some time without any rain. Strong storms in the Madison Circle, so that's the northern part of Madison, strong serves. Thunder and lightning in North Madison. Okay. Thunder and lightning in Middletown. Heavy rain in Middletown. So obviously the storms are well north of me right now, or the worst parts of it. And some rain in the campground. Thunder in Westbrook. So you're probably looking at similar weather if you're in Westbrook to what I'm looking at. It's all coming in from the north of us. We'll see if it rolls through. With a storm like this, it's possible that it dissipates before it reaches us, or that another cell will pick up and hit us. And I just noticed something out in the marsh there. I don't have my tripod with me, so I can't stabilize this. Let's see if I can use this sign here to stabilize my camera. But out in the marsh, see if you guys can see it. It looks like an osprey sitting. Yeah, it just opened its wings a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see that. Just to the right of the tree. So that's really cool. There's a line of storms developing from Guilford to Westbrook heading our way. Heading southwest. Very cool. Okay, it looks like that osprey is preening itself. Okay, now my gimbal is doing that funny pan thing where it pans automatically. Storm pass, oh wow, Rocky Hill, it's already sunny in Rocky Hill. That's pretty neat. I'm glad that I had so many people tune in. Oh, now I'm getting some raindrops. That osprey out there is probably getting rained on. He doesn't seem to care. Probably, I say he, because the male is usually out watching over. Oh, you know what I just noticed? That osprey that's by itself over there. And then there's another osprey. If you look over the middle of these three purple martin houses, there's an osprey sitting on top of a tree swallow box. And then there's another osprey sitting on the osprey platform. So that's pretty cool that we've got 3 osprey out here. So one of them does not belong to that nest. And if you're watching, the purple martins are still going in and out. They're still hunting. This storm has not affected them yet at all. When it really starts to rain, that female osprey that's on the nest will lay down, cover up her young, and just wait for the storm to pass over. She's not going to leave the nest. Loud thunder in Killingworth. I'm hearing a lot of loud thunder. It could be the same that you're hearing. I think you guys are a few, like 20 seconds behind me. So, oh, darn it. I was pointing the wrong way. There was just a massive lightning right up towards Killingworth, right in that direction. And now I probably won't see any more. I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder. Right now there's one of our parked vehicles is driving by. All right, that was just still rolling. That's a lot of thunder. So I don't know if you guys know the trick. When you see lightning, if you count, you can tell how far away it is by counting. You have to count slowly, but it's approximately 1 mile for each second between the lightning and... Oh, now there's lightning over on that side and I'm pointing the wrong way again. This is crazy. I'm just going to keep pointing at that dark cloud right there, though. I'm not going to give up. We're going to get some lightning. Although, I'm getting wetter. More wet. Wetter is not a word. Those purple martins are still, they're just going in and out. They're hunting. It's the neatest thing when you see one from a great distance that flies in to the nest. We do have a program coming up that we'll be doing on the purple martins. I'm hoping for that one next week, so keep an eye out. We will lower the purple martin houses down and take a look at the babies. They clean out the nests and make sure that there are no parasites in the nest, so I want to film them doing that. Dark clouds coming over the golf course. That's in the Norwich golf course, so I'm going to move back, see if I can get under this tree. A little bit of rain shelter. Probably not a good idea to be standing out here about now. So I do know a statistic that most people that are hit by lightning, it's before and after the storm. So as the storm is coming in and after the storm passes, when people think they're safe, they go out and that's when they usually get struck by lightning. With my luck though, oh, I hope you guys all saw that. That was a couple of nice flashes right there. All right. With my luck, I never really win anything, so I don't think I would get struck by lightning. Someone's asking, is it wise to shelter under a tree? Not from lightning. Shelter from the rain. It will stop the rain for a little while, but yes, definitely not a good idea from the lightning. I'm going to move back to the old building. And let's go in here. I don't know how well you'll be able to see from in the screen porch. A lot of rolling thunder again. This is one of the neatest places that we have at the Nature Center. It's part of the old building, but it is a screened porch that we have. We can do birthday parties back here. It's a pretty neat spot. And no mosquitoes, which is great. Here, I'm going to show you guys. Can you see all the buoys up there? So for years we've been collecting things that wash up on our beach. I think my camera lens is getting cloudy with all this moisture out here. Maybe a raindrop hit it. But this is a pretty cool place out here. All right, we're gonna come back over. I'm gonna sign off. I hope everyone stays safe. Keep an eye out from a safe, secure place. Watch the thunder and lightning, enjoy it, but don't take any chances you don't have to. This is Ranger Russ signing off from the Meggs Point Nature Center.